Hey all, my name's Manny, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove the toughest sections of wallpaper in your house. Now right now I am in a $12,000 duplex, believe it or not, and there is a ton of wallpaper in this place that needs to come off the wall. Now some of it is coated and some of it is not. And the non-coated wallpaper, it came down really easily just with a paint roller, and I got an extension and a bucket of water, and I just rolled over the wallpaper and peeled it up in big chunks. But in other rooms like the kitchen here, the wallpaper is coated, and simply applying water is not penetrating the wallpaper, not able to get me to pull off. And to show you some example here, I got a wallpaper scraper, and just working like this would take forever. And I was literally, it's the biggest one I got. I was literally at the point where I got to get a sander and sand this whole thing off or just paint over it. So I looked up my options. There was Zinsser makes a wallpaper stripper, which I'm going to use here and show you the difference it can make between these toughest sections before and after applying it. So this wallpaper is coated here, and in order to get through it, you need to score off some sections. So I have a razor blade, a handheld razor blade here, and I'm just scoring sections of the wallpaper, and then I'm gonna apply this Zinsser wallpaper stripper. Other people have used Giddy Up 409, but you need to use something to get behind that wallpaper. So this is a spray-on bottle, but you can also use concentrate mixed with water. Now I just need to wait 5 minutes, and I'll come back and show you the difference in how this scrapes off. So now after waiting 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the difference that using a wallpaper stripper can make. You'll see that this is now coming off between the lines that I scored, because the wallpaper stripper has been able to get out behind the coated wallpaper. For comparison, I've already done this section using the same approach, and it's a lot easier than going at it without scoring the paper and then using a wallpaper stripper. I mean, this job would literally be next to impossible. Since this is such a cheap house, I would just, if I couldn't do this, or if I had to do the entire house this way, I probably wouldn't. So I would consider just taking out the bubbles where I see them in the wallpaper, maybe running over all the wallpaper with water to see what bubbles emerge, and then painting over it, honestly, just to get the job done, because this is incredibly tedious and tiring work. So if you're going to remove coated wallpaper, you really should be sure of what you're getting yourself into. If you appreciate this video, please take the time to like it and leave some feedback. That's the way that YouTube picks up my content and gives my channel some more exposure. If you have any more questions about removing wallpaper, this wall, for example, was covered in it. So email me at manny@notwaitingtolive.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.